We previously mentioned that function call arguments can also be function calls. Here's an example. The argument is add3, 5. Let's see how the expression and value stacks change as we evaluate this function call. Initially, LWPython pushes the full expression to the expression stack. LWPython then pushes the child or the argument add3, 5 to the expression stack. Add3, 5 also has a child 5, so LWPython pushes it to the expression stack too. Python now evaluates 5 and pushes it to the value stack. Python is now ready to jump to add3. Python sends 5 as input to the add3 function and executes the function body. The add3 function simply adds 3 to the input value. After the function call is finished, Python pushes the output 8 to the value stack and pops the expression stack twice. The child function call is finished, but the parent function call remains in the expression stack. Python now jumps to the add3 function again, this time with input 8. The add3 function again adds 3 to the input value, so the final output is 11. After Python evaluates the function call, the expression stack contains one empty element, and the value stack contains the final output 11. Try running this example in the simulator to see how LWPython evaluates function calls with function call arguments.